Hello everyone, this is the second video. हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं जो एग्जाम में अब तक पूछा गया है, जो भी पीवाईक्यू क्वेश्चंस हैं, जैसे एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। पहला ही क्वेश्चन हम देख लेते हैं। द डिसीज दैट इज कॉज्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया एंड वायरस इन द सीक्वेंस इज स्लीपिंग सिकनेस, डिप्टीथीरिया, हेपेटाइटिस बी। तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में कि प्रोटोजोआ से होने वाले कौन से डिसीज हैं, बैक्टीरिया से होने वाले कौन से डिसीज हैं, वायरस से होने वाले कौन से डिसीज हैं। ये पीजीटी 2016 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रोटोजोआ इज क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मोड ऑफ लोकोमोशन। थर्ड इज चागर डिसीज। चागर डिसीज caused by trypanosoma cruzi. Transmission of infection caused by loa loa istro cryospecies. मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, अभी न्यूट्रिशन कैसा, न्यूट्रिशन का मोड क्या है, होलोजोइक। ये यूपीपीसीएस के प्री में पूछा गया है और पीजीटी में भी पूछा गया है। नेक्स्ट इज सॉल जेल थ्योरी। ये क्वेश्चन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, काफी बार पूछा गया है। सॉल जेल थ्योरी प्रोपाउंडेड बाय अमीबा पे देखने के लिए मिलती है हाइमन। सक्टोरिया इज अ सब क्लास ऑफ द फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ। ये मे बी पूछा जाए, नहीं पूछा जाए। सेफेलोपोडा इज द क्लास ऑफ एनिमल विच फुट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द हेड। सिजगी कंडीशन किस में देखने के लिए मिलती है, ग्रेगेरियंस में। Basal granules differs from the flagella in having 9 peripheral tepals and 2 central fibers. Contractile vacuole in protozoans mainly serves for osmoregulation. ये एक important question है। ये कुछ important questions हैं। Bioluminescence is exhibited by serotonin. Kala jar is transmitted by sandfly. Contractile vacuole is present in Amoeba euglena paramecium. Polymorphic forms in found trypanosoma. ट्रिपैनोसोमा से क्या होता है, ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक एनिमल्स कौन से होते हैं, हेरोडिनेरिया, एस्कैरिस, टीनिया, सोलियम। ये किस फाइलम से बिलोंग करते हैं, आप मुझे जरूर बताना। अमीबा लिमिक्स मूव्स बाय लोबोपोडिया. Fixation papillae are found in Ascidian larva. The shelled amoeba is a archila. ये जीआईसी में पूछा गया है, सो मे बी नहीं पूछा जाए, सो ये पूछा जा सकता है। सॉल जेल थ्योरी ऑफ pseudopodia and amoeba proposed by हाइमन. ब्लास्टेमा, ब्लास्टेमा फॉर्मेशन रीजनरेशन के लिए होता है, ये बिहार पीजीटी में पूछा गया है। द ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट इज रिगार्डेड इमोर्टल अमीबा, regarded immortal. Entamoeba histolytica, pseudopodium. Causing agent of dysentery, Entamoeba histolytica. Infective stage of Entamoeba histolytica is tetranucleate cysts. एक important question है। Contractile vacuole is lacking in the protozoans, that is Entamoeba histolytica. So this is very important question. Contractile vacuole is lacking in protozoans and Amoeba histolytica. So this is very important. ये पूछा जा सकता है। Total number of nuclei that are found in mature system of 8 amoeba, 8 entamoeba. The excretion of entamoeba histolytica take place by general body surface. ये भी normal question है, पूछा जा सकता है। In humans, entamoeba gingivalis lives in oral cavity. ये पूछा जा सकता है। Euglena belongs to which kingdom? Protista. So basic question है। The chloroplast of the euglena is composed of chlorophyll A, B, beta carotene. So chloroplast of carrot. Coral reefs are found in coelanthrates. Paramylum bodies are reserve food of Euglena. Euglena store food in the form of paramylon granules. Paramylum is a carbohydrate. Paramylum is a carbohydrate. Trophozoite of Plasmodium lives in erythrocytes of human. Cerebral malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. So this is very important. मल्टीपल टाइम पूछा गया है, 1994 में पूछा गया है, पीजीटी में पूछा गया है, टीजीटी में पूछा गया है. सेरिब्रल मलेरिया इज कॉज्ड बाय प्लाज्मोडियम फेल्सीपेरम. द ट्रोपोजोइट ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम लिव्स इन एरिथ्रोसाइट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन. ये भी पूछा जा सकता है. Schaffner dots or granules observed in erythrocytes are due to malaria. In patients, Schaffner granules are found in RBC, red blood corpuscle cells. In the life cycle of Plasmodium, hemojoin is found in merozoite stage. The stage of Plasmodium life cycle that is infective to men, sporozoite. The infective stage of Plasmodium vivax for female Anopheles is gametocytes. Morer's dots are found in the erythrocytes of men infected with Plasmodium falciparum. Morer's dots. और इन्फेक्टिव स्टेज ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवेक्स की फॉर फीमेल एनाफिलीज के लिए गेमिटोसाइट है. ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. और प्लाज्मोडियम लाइफ साइकिल दैट इन्फेक्ट्स टू मैन स्पोरोजाइट. सो जो ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है काफी. ये पूछा जा सकता है. मोटाइल जाइगोट्स इज फाउंड इन द लाइफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम. क्रिप्टोजॉइट is stage in the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax that is found in liver of man. Plasmodium is digenetic. Schizont of Plasmodium is found in liver and red cells of man. Microgametes and megagametes is in Plasmodium form zygotes. Gametes of malaria parasites are formed in blood of man. In which of the following organ is the ookinite stage of malaria parasite found in stomach? So ये है ookinite stage की बात कर रहा है मलेरिया की. ये फाउंड है stomach of mosquito. Anisogamy is the union of dissimilar gametes as seen in Plasmodium. Malignant malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. All stage Plasmodium get digested in a stomach of Anopheles except gametocytes. This could be asked. Plasmodium berghei is the parasite of rat. The micronucleus of paramecium is diploid. So ये पूछा भी गया है एलटी में 2018 में, रिसेंट पूछा गया है. So ये पूछा जा सकता है. The species of paramecium that has symbiotic algae, zoo cholera, is Bursaria. The posterior vacuole of paramecium pulsate faster than anterior vacuole. So ये भी पूछा जा सकता है. Paramecium belongs to the order Hypnostomatida. Endomixis is a mode of the reproduction found in, ये भी पूछा जा सकता है, पैरामीशियम में है और ये प्रोडक्शन का फिनोमेना है. Cytopygy is an aperture on the body of paramecium which is used for egestion, digestion. इन सबका डिफरेंस क्या है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Cytopygy is found in paramecium. Some individuals of paramecium in their cytoplasm that have granules called kappa particles. This is important question. Which produce toxins as paramecium. Kappa particles. What are kappa particles? जो toxins produce कर रहा. Paramecium is aminotolic. Conjugation paramecium involve exchange of micronuclei. In paramecium, the phenomena of cyclosis is associated with digestion. Functions of trichocyst, offenses and defense. Silver line system is associated with paramecium. Mode of food intake in paramecium, holozoic. Amphimixis in paramecium involves fusion of male pronucleus with female pronucleus of different individuals. Conjugation helps in paramecium in rejuvenation. Hereditary variation, nuclear reorganization. Heteromorphic nuclei occurs in ciliated protozoans. Viviparity, viviparity का क्या मीनिंग है? Viviparity generally occurs in Ocheria. Sleeping sickness किसके थ्रू कॉज होता है? ट्रिपैनोसोमा के. And the causative agent of African sleeping sickness, this is Glossina palpalis, CC fly भी इसको बोलते हैं. So this is important one. The grand old man of intestine is called Giardia. The mosquito that is spread dengue, it's a common Aedes. Chagas, Triotoma. Yellow fever is transmitted by female Aedes. Quartum malaria is caused by Plasmodium malariae. Vector of elephantiasis, infected Culex mosquito. Vaucheria caused by filariasis as a result of block in lymph glands. Sandfly transmitted the pathogen of Kala Jar. Kala Jar is caused by Leishmania donovani. Microfilariae during night resides in peripheral vessels. The cause, filariasis in man, Vaucheria. In sponges, prosopile is a small canal in which connects incurrent canal with radial canal. Choanocytes और कॉलर सेल्स पोरीफेरा में पाए जाते हैं. एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, पूछा जा चुका है. The cells that are found only in sponges, choanocytes. The most distinctive character of sponges is the possess choanocytes. The power of regeneration in sponges due to amoebocytes. Silica for the formation of siliceous spicules is extracted by the sponges from the sea water. Power of regeneration sponges में होती है वो because of amoebocytes की वजह से. और कोएनोसाइट्स क्या होती है? कॉलर सेल्स. कॉलर सेल्स और कोएनोसाइट्स एक ही नाम है जो पोरीफेरा में देखने मिलता है. स्पॉन्जेस सेल्यूलर. एम्फीब्लास्टुला लार्वा स्पॉन्जेस में देखने के लिए मिलता है. इन विच टाइप ऑफ कैनाल सिस्टम ऑफ स्पॉन्ज दैट स्पॉन्जोसील इज लाइंड बाय द कोएनोसाइट एस्कॉन टाइप. So this is very important. The type of canal system found in Leucosolanea is cone type. Spicules are found in Porifera. Sponges animal is Helisarca and Uscarella. The sponges that has a skeleton of spongin fibers, Demospongae. The type of cells that store reserve food in sponges, Thiocytes. Bath sponges, Euspongia. Blastospores give rise to mouth. Bath sponge, Euspongia. That sponge is detrimental to pearl industry, which is Cliona. Example of phylum Porifera is Cycon. Mesohyl is found in Parazoa. Freshwater sponges is Spongella. ये पूछा जा सकता है कि what is freshwater sponge? Free swimming larvae of some sponges is known as parenchymola. The sponges that amoeba is modified for storing food granules, Thiocytes. Leucon type of canal system, Spongilla में. Ascon type, Leucosolanea में. Types of spicules found in gemmules of granules, Monaxone. The term ostia is associated with Porifera. The fertilization in sponges occurs internally in mesenchyme. The sponges were classified with plants till the discovery of circulation of water through their body. And the cell type is capable of giving rise to other cell type in sponges is archaeocytes. The feature is universally present in all sponges, presence of spongocele. Spicules in sponges are formed by scleroblasts. The feature that is universally Universally present in all sponges, presence of spongocele. Paragastric cavity, spongocele में. Flagellated cells in sponges is called choanocytes. The diameter of ostia in a sponges is regulated by myocytes. Paragastric cavity is found in the name of spongocele. Of flagellated cells in sponges, choanocytes. So जो choanocytes होती है, these are flagellated cells. And the diameter of the ostia in sponges is regulated by myocytes. Leucosolanea belongs to which class? Calcarea. Asconoid canal system. Asconoid या ascon type, which is Leucosolanea. The Sycon type of canal system found in Sycon. Example, phylum Porifera is Sycon. The holoblastola of Sycon is Amphiblastola. Fertilization in Sycon occurs in internally. Important है, पूछा जा सकता है. The fertilization of Sycon take place in the spongocele. Internal fertilization occurs in Sycon. Choanocytes are found in Sycon. Spicules are found in Herdmania and Sycon. Green glands are excretory in prawn. Olantha's stage is seen in the development of Sycon. Olantha's stage. A radially symmetry invertebrate animal with differentiation of tissues only will be replaced in Cnidaria. Coelenterata is seafen. Scientific name of seafer, Obelia geniculata. The red coral munga is Corallium rubrum. The set of individuals of the phylum Coelenterata belongs to Physalia, Adamasia, Pennatola, Gorgonia. ये मे भी आ सकता है, पूछ भी सकता है, नहीं भी इतना important है नहीं, पता हो तो याद आ जाए तो ठीक है. The common name of fungi, which is red coral. Diploblastic acoelomate condition found in sea anemone. Triploblastic stage of organization found in helminthes. Nematocysts are present in Coelentratas. Cylops is the secondary host of Guinea worm. Vocheria filariasis elephantiasis cause करता है. Dead man gingers is called Elysionium. Cnidarians are acoelomate. The group of coelentrates that show maximum polymorphism is found in Siphonophora. The feeding joints of Obelia polyps. Feeding joints. A coral reef lying close to the shore of some volcanic islands is known as fringing reef. जब कोई भी कोरल रीफ शोर के बहुत पास में पाया जाता है तो उनको फ्रिंजिंग रीफ बोलते हैं. नेमेटोसिस्ट क्या है? Coelentratas. Nematocyst is a part of cell. Medusa of Obelia differs from Aurelia in having Rhophalium. मे भी पूछा जाए, नहीं भी पूछा जा सकता है कि it's not that important. Organism budding that is commonly found in Hydra. It's very common. The formation of gonads in Hydra is stimulated by abundance of carbon dioxide. The name of free swimming larva Hydra, Planula. ये पूछा जा सकता है एक बार को. The gonads in Hydra originate from ectoderm, so it can be asked. The body organization in Hydra is tissue grade. Glutathione is secreted by Hydra. Regeneration of Hydra occurs by morpholysis. Poisonous fluid present in nematocyst of Hydra is hypnotoxin. Hypnotoxin is a poisonous substance produced by nematocyst. The animals that has a nervous system but no brain. Rhophalium of Aurelia is called tentanoculus. In Aurelia, rhophalium is a complex structure of 4 senses. The number of adrial canal in Aurelia, 8. The fire larva found in Aurelia. The larva of Balanoglossus in Tornaria. So it can be asked. Perisarc of Obelia, chitin layer secreted by ectoderm. The growth of Obelia colony is a type of sympodial. The coenosarx of Obelia is tubular and living. Obelia medusa is a umbrella shaped. Oysters, clams, mussels all belongs to bivalvia, bivalvia या bivalvia या bivalvia, whatever you can say. Medusa of Obelia is formed from blastostyle. Metagenesis is observed in the member of class Hydrozoa. Statocysts are found in Obelia. Metagenesis occurs in Obelia. So statocyst और मेटाजेनेसिस दोनों ओबेलिया में देखने के लिए मिलती है. प्लेन्यूलेला लार्वा फाउंड इन ओबेलिया. सेंसरी सेल्स ऑफ ओबेलिया लिथोसाइट्स. फीडिंग ज़ोइड्स पॉलिप में मिलते हैं. पॉलीमॉर्फिक एनिमल हाइड्राक्टीनिया. पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म किस में देखने के लिए मिलती है? सीलेंट्रेटास में. लेसो सेल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन टीनोफोरा. दीज आर कॉम्ब जेलीज. could be asked. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. The final and first mold in the larva of Ascaris intestine. Sea walnuts belongs to Ctenophora. Taenia soleum belongs to Cystoda class. Schistoma is commonly found in blood fluke. The character of Platyhelminth is triploblastic. Flame cells are main excretory structure of Platyhelminthes. Mesodermal tissue filling up the space between organ in flatworm is parenchyma. Absence of anus in flatworm, tinea. टेपवॉर्म एब्जॉर्ब होता है. टेपवॉर्म एब्जॉर्ब करता है फूड किसके थ्रू? जनरल सरफेस के थ्रू. फ्लेम सेल्स किससे एसोसिएटेड होती हैं? दीज आर एक्सक्रीटरी स्ट्रक्चर है ना. प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थीज में होती है, ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन के काम आती है. स्मॉलेस्ट टेपवॉर्म क्या है? इकाइनोकोकस. सोलिनोसाइट्स एसोसिएटेड विद एक्सक्रीशन. स्पाइरल क्लीवेज is observed in Turbellaria. Sporocyst is the larva of liver fluke. ये पूछा जा सकता है. लार्वा. Cystode is a proto-industrially hermaphrodite taenia. Life cycle of taenia digenetic. Fasciola hepatica occurs in liver of sheep. Taenia saginata differs from Taenia solium as it lacks rostellum. Osmotrophy is found in tapeworms. Apolysis is the process of separation of proglottid from main body. The process of detachment of mature proglottids from the body of tapeworm. Apolysis. दोनों एक ही बात है. ये पूछा जा सकता है. Apolysis is the process of separation of gravid proglottid from the main body. In fact, the snail in the life cycle of Fasciola miracidum. क्या miracidum. The term acidabulum is associated with pelvic girdle and Fasciola hepatica. This is important. The bladder worm is a larva of Taenia. The bladder worm is the larva of tapeworm also. Mallis glands जो liver fluke में मिलती हैं, reproduction के काम आती हैं. Mallis gland is found in Fasciola. Hexacanth larva is found in Taenia solium. Allogenesis is a type of alteration of generation is found in liver fluke. Taenia takes through food body wall. Number of excretory pore in Fasciola? 1. Only 1. The free swimming ciliated larva stages of liver fluke is miracidium. Stage of life history of the liver fluke, which in fact the primary host is Metacercaria. The intermediate host in the life cycle of F. hepatica is snail. The type of respiration found in Taenia solium, anaerobic respiration. So this can be asked. Important question है. The intermediate host क्या है? F. hepatica का Fasciola hepatica snail. Hexacanth is the larval stage of tapeworm. The shedding of gravid proglottids in the taenia, apolysis. Adult tapeworm derives nourishment by absorbing the host digested food through the body wall. Endoparasitic man is Wucheria. Bladder worm is found in muscles of pig and cow. Pinworm, Antoribus. Larva of Bucheria branchopteri, microfilaria larva. Pseudocoelom developed from blastocoel. Pseudocoelomates is a round worm. Body cavity of Ascaris is pseudocoelomate. Coelom derived from blastocele is called pseudocoel. True coelom is absent. Nematodes. The body cavity of nematode is filled with parenchyma. The social insect is a Calotum. The animal sexes are separate: Ascaris, Schistoma, Boniria. The total number of testes are present in Ascaris only one. Monogenetic parasite is Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris is the most commonly found in children. Male Ascaris is different from female Ascaris is having pineal spicules. Amphids of his Ascaris are chemoreceptors. Syncytial epidermis is found in Ascaris. Ascaris lumbricoides is monorchic and didelphic. The fourth juvenile stage of Ascaris is found in the organ of host. The Ascaris egg are fertilized in uteri. The first juvenile larva of Ascaris, rabidity from larva. Plasmids are present in Ascaris. Sexual dimorphism clearly seen in Scaris. Amoeboid sperm are found in Scaris. Rabidity-form larva occurs in the life cycle of Ascaris. Bisexual animal is leeches. Body cavity of Ascaris is pseudocoel. Excretory structure of Ascaris H-shaped.